Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. Today's video is to solve a problem or a challenge many pioneers are facing. This is for pioneers whom are yet to receive their first migration. Okay, so this update was released by the PyCore team, and many of you have already completed this update. Okay, this is the 2FA, the two-factor authentication, and many of you have completed it. But yet, when you open your Pi app to mine, and then after clicking on mine, you will still have this same issue. This pop-up will still come back, but you have already completed this maybe the previous day. This will not get solved until you do one particular thing. Okay, because if you keep doing it the way you have been doing it, it will keep coming back. Okay, so if you have been facing this challenge, this video is for you. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet, and stay tuned for more content about Pi Network and cryptocurrency as a whole. So the issue here is not that you are not let's say you are not doing it right. Okay, it's not about you not doing it right. You are right, but I think you left a step behind. Okay, there's one important step which you did not complete, and the Pi network did not make that clear. So many of you do not know that you even have to complete that particular step first before even proceeding to complete the 2FA. So in this video, I'll be tackling that issue, okay, and I'll let you know how to solve this. And I'm very sure when you do it right, this will not come again. This pop-up will not come again. Okay, this will be fixed. So first and first, Pi core team wants to know, and they want to be sure if the account you are working with is your own account. Okay, so anyone anywhere can just have access to your account, have your Pi phrases, and do this 2FA on your behalf, or even without your intention. Okay, and the person will just go ahead and then add any wallet address he or she has access to. So in order for Pi network or for Pi core team to tackle this issue before you can proceed with the 2FA authentication, okay, before you can have a successful 2FA or two-factor authentication, you have to complete a liveness check. Okay, and I am very sure most of you are not doing that. So if you go through the 2FA process without completing a liveness check, that means this pop-up will still come back again. Okay, and one thing you should know that in the process of you completing your 2FA, the liveness check will not come automatically, and this means you first have to do it yourself before you even go ahead and then do the 2FA. So what you need to do is that when you open your Pi app and you see the pop-up, you see the 2FA pop-up or the Pi wallet migration confirmation pop-up, just skip it, okay, and go ahead and do your mining. After the mining, just click on the menu. Let me go into my Pi app and show you so that you can get a better understanding. So hold on, Yeah, hold on while I open my Pi app. Okay, so when you are in your Pi account, okay, or your Pi app, just click on menu and go to profile. So when you get to your profile, scroll down till you see password and click on update. So from here you can see you have email and then you have phone number. So just switch from phone number to email. So when you do that, you will see your email address here. Okay, so you don't have to click on continue. Please listen carefully. Just click on change it here. But note, you are not going to change your password. Okay, you just want to we just want to do something here. So let's say this is your correct email. Okay, if this is not your correct email, you can change it. But if this is your correct email which you have access to, you will still need to click on change it here. So let's click on change it here. Did you see that it says we need to complete a liveness check? So it is opening. Let's wait. So when it loads, it will open up this page for you, and it reads update trusted email. So you can decide to keep the email you have here if you have access to it, or if you don't have access to the email they will show you here, you can just go ahead and delete this one or erase this one and put your trusted email here. Okay, and let's read further. It says before the liveness check that ensures this email update is done by you, please provide an email address that you own and trust to be used for important verification, including account recovery, 2FA wallet confirmation, and Pi migration. So what they are trying to hint on is that do not just go ahead and use any random email, because at the end of the day, this email you are going to add will be used for several things, such as updating your Pi password and stuff. So make sure you add an email which you have access to. Okay, so let's assume I want to maintain this very email. I'll just go ahead and click on update. Okay, so let me click on update. Now when you click on update, they will let you know. Okay, they will tell you to be ready for a liveness check, and we all know what that is. Okay, when I click on I'm ready, I've done this already, so I don't need to do it again. So you just have to click on I'm ready and your camera will open so that you can take a selfie of yourself. Okay, so when you are done with that, when it is successful, okay, then you can just go ahead and complete your 2FA or two-factor authentication. If you skip this email validation or email update step and you just go ahead and do your 2FA, your account or your Pi coins will not be migrated. Okay, therefore the pop-up will keep coming. You will do it today, and tomorrow when you are going to mine your Pi account, you will still see the pop-up coming back. Okay, so make sure you complete this very step. First thing first, you will do this first, and then when you are done, you go back. Okay, you go back. You can just go back and then log out from your Pi account, and then you log back in. You log in. Okay, so when you log in, the pop-up will come back again, and then you can go ahead and complete it. So this is the only way you can complete your two-factor authentication without it coming back again. And for those of you who have already done it but it just keep coming back, this is the reason. So make sure you fix that. So guys, that will be all for this video. subscribe to the channel, and please like this video and share to other pioneers to also benefit. And see you in my next update.